Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting course on building a gamified habit tracker app with Flutter and Firebase. My name is Destiny Ed and I'll be your instructor throughout this journey. In this course, we'll take a hands-on approach to building a beautiful, interactive and feature-rich habit tracker app that helps users build better habits and stay consistent. This course is designed to be practical, beginner-friendly and fun. Whether you're looking to improve your Flutter skill, integrate Firebase, or launch your own app, this course will give you the tools and knowledge that you need to get started. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design and build a stunning Flutter UI with animation. You'll be able to implement Firebase authentication, so I'll show you how to implement Google and Apple sign-in. We're going to store and retrieve data using Firestore. You will also be able to add habit tracking to Firebase storage and also track streaks, and then we design a leaderboard ranking system. You're able to send push and local notification for habit reminders. Then I'm also going to show you guys how to optimize app performance and cost-effective Firebase usage. That means I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your Firebase storage to minimize cost. Then we are going to deploy the app to Google Play Store and App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your Play Store, your mobile application, add icons, sign it for release, and then I'll show you the best practices you need to have in place before publishing the app to Google Play Store or App Store. And of course, this course is packed with practical quizzes and real-world exercise to reinforce your learning. See how I'm take a quick look at what we'll be building. This is the app screen. We have the onboarding flow, and we have the authentication. You can see the smooth onboarding flow with Google and Apple Auth. Just simple. Then when you click on the authentication method that you want, it takes you to the habit dashboard. Here you'll be able to track your habits with beautiful and animated UI. You'll be able to see your streak count for that particular habit. You'll be able to see friends that have commented on your habits. You'll be able to see your streak count, your name, and everything. You will also be able to write a comment on your habits. You'll be able to share your habits with friends, so you can invite your friends. You are more likely to stick to your habit if someone finds out about your progress. So your friends can join your habits, comment, like, and motivate you. So you can just select the friends you want, right? So these are just basic UI for now. Okay, then you invite the friend. That's one part of it. You also have streak system, so you will be able to build consistency and see progress with streak. So once you complete a specific habit, you get this dialog that you've just earned one streak. Keep going. Completing your habit daily is the key to staying motivated. So this is one part of it, and then the next part is the leaderboard. And one thing I forgot to show you guys is that you can also see the habits of your friends, people that have invited you to see their habits. You can see their habits. You can also comment. You can write the comments on their habits. You can do a lot of things as well. Okay. And then we have the leaderboard screen. Here you'll be able to compete with friends, comment and share progress. So with this, you'll be able to climb the ranking. You will see who is number one on building habits. So that will motivate you to keep going with your habits. Then we have community features. You'll be able to invite friends, comment, share your progress, right? You'll be able to see pending invites from friends. You'll be able to invite your friends as well. Okay, you'll be able to see all your friends, what they are up to, the comments on their habits. And finally, we have the profile and settings screen. Here you'll be able to manage preferences and team setting. So we have a logout icon, about app. You have a dark mode to switch team, and you will see your details and everything. So we'll be breaking down each of these features step by step. So don't worry if anything sounds complex right now. By the end of this course, you will have a fully functional and polished app that you can even publish on the Play Store and App Store. I'm super excited to have you in this course. So if you're ready, let's jump into setting up our Flutter project and get started in building this awesome habit tracker app.